So Tempa is the teaching. So how is the important teaching, especially cycle of the Tantra, dzogchen, especially in Tantra, I mean. So Wang Lung Tisum. It's very important to have for good practitioner. Wang Lung Tisum is very kind of to have these three things like very generally, usually it's a very common way to receive as a support for practitioner. Wang is the empowerment, Lung is the transmission, and T is the teaching. So these three are main big subject to receive. For example, Wang, Lung, T, Sum, those three are like we can receive many times. So they build our capacity, wisdom, knowledge. This is support. So Lung is transmission is also for support for our practice, and then Wang is for Wang is also empowerment is for sure. It's for more about the introducing the mind, but then there's two kind of Wang. So one is the like candle, is like symbolic, supporting through the ritual, giving the top offering, and then receiving the lineage through the introducing through the describing the deities. Those are also part of the Wang, but then also actually the Wang means like you are recognizing, you are introducing your own true nature is the Wang power. And then Lung's transmission. Lung is like same that we are having right now, just enough to hear. Once you hear, that's enough, Lung. But you have to be here completely. And T is like any kind of teaching that most of you have been receiving many teachings. So all those are included, like any teaching. Mother Tantra, Sutra Part, Sopa Chambo, any teaching can include like whatever the knowledge or the wisdom you are practice. Okay, then just be rest and relax and be fully joy, kawadang towa. Be with happy and then and listen to that. On himself also he's kind of like reading through the joy and then support the blessing. So we all like support each other to have this moment of the restful with the openness and enjoy. Jabo chenpo tsibu chen, Gyalshen ye ban kor jina, ye shen la mi chen la dang, zhe shen da ge ten zhen dang, ten bi to jin chen la jin, do yun to ma de jin la, ka jin to ma de jin la, Yungdrung bon jie ten ba song, zhe qian da la dong zhuan zuo, shang yuan zhuo ne gu jian hai, zhuo dong mo dong bian yong, chang zhen ge shan mian mei ge, zhang guo qie
la la ya de mu ye sha so ha nu ti chong ne go je ma chang dong ma mo mi chang je me sa de me ke nu go che la la shu tu mu ye sha